In chapter 5 primary activities, we have already discussed about the hunting and gathering, which was the first human activities performed by man. Then we did pastoralism and its type. Today, for this session, we have picked one of the important human economic activity, that is agriculture. Agriculture, which is the cultivation of land, which also include keeping of animal, growing of food crops. Generally, agriculture is considered a science, an art, or occupation concerned with the cultivation of land, raising of crops, feeding, breeding, and raising of livestock. Even in the modern period, in agriculture, there are many more things have been included in this activity, like fishing and horticulture and many other land related economic activity have been included. Based on method and farming, different type of crops are grown and livestock raised. There are many type of agriculture. Basically, agriculture is practiced in two ways. One is subsistence farming, another is commercial farming. Subsistence farming is a kind of farming or agriculture in which crops are raised by farmer just for his own survival. And in commercial farming, farmer cultivate the crop. Basically, the crop which are cultivated are called cash crop. And these crops basically sell in the market, and farmer by selling these crops he get profit. In today's session we will just discuss about this one, because subsistence agriculture include the two main type of agriculture which is practiced in major part of the world, that is primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence farming is a type of farming which is practiced in very remote and forested areas. Intensive subsistence farming, we have to discuss about two categories. One is intensive subsistence agriculture dominated by paddy crop, means where rice is the main crop. And in other type of intensive subsistence farming, this is intensive subsistence farming dominated by crop other than paddy, means where paddy is cultivated but not as a main crop. Other crops like wheat, sorghum, barley, millets are cultivated. They are main crop. And the type of crop is different from region to region. So let's start one by one. Very first, primitive subsistence farming. This is shifting agriculture, widely practiced by many tribes in the tropical region, especially in Africa, South and Central America, and Southeast Asia. Right? And this is a type of farming which is called slash and burn agriculture. There are reasons for calling this slash and burn, because in this farming vegetation is very first clear, means trees are cut it down, then fired, burned by fire, and the ash which left is add to the fertility of soil. And here for the fertility only ash is the main source. No other artificial or synthetic fertilizers are used to maintain the fertility of soil. And this is the reason there is a cycle of shifting from one patch of land to another. Actually, what happened in this type of farming, patches in which cultivation are very small, land holding is small, in this. Only primitive tools are used like hoe, dao, sickle, digging sticks, etc. And farmers shift to another part and clear the another patch of land in the forest. What happened exactly in this type of slash and burn agriculture, which is called shifting cultivation? Farmer clear the patch of land, and after some time he when the fertility of soil is lost due to intensive or regular cultivation of crops, that's why he shift to other place and again practice the same, then keep on shifting. And this farming is practiced in many part of the world. It is practiced in different part of the, especially in tropical region of the world. Especially this type of farming cultivated in tropical region, and this region is mainly underdeveloped region of Asia, Africa, and Latin America, and it has different name. For example, in North Zooming, it is known as in North America, this Northeast Asia, Milpa in Mexico and Central America, Ray in Vietnam, Konuku Roca in Brazil and Venezuela. Actually, it is Konuka in Venezuela and Roca in Brazil. It has different name. Ledang, it is known in Malaysia and Indonesia. In Congo of Africa, it is called Maselo. China in Sri Lanka. So this way, this has different name in different part of the world. Even in one region like in India, it has different name. Somewhere is Deepa and somewhere Chingin. So it has different name. This way you can see here in this world map, which has been given on page number 35. You can see this is one region. Here in Mexico and Central America, this is called Milpa. Here in Venezuela and Brazil, this is called Conuco Roca. And in Vietnam region, here this is called Ray. Milpa in Indonesia and Malaysia. Mexico and this is Lidang in Malaysia and Indonesia. In Congo region, this region, Congo and other part, this is called Masolo. And in this Sri Lanka, this is called China. And this part of northeast with the border of Myanmar, this is called Zooming. Right? But you can see this is one of the underdeveloped part of the world, and due to its environmental impact, environmental problem, this type of cultivation has been banned in most of the world. This has reason are this has result large scale deforestation. This led to deforestation, trees are cut for the patch of land. Forest, loss of nutrients, impact of biodiversity, because large scale flora and fauna is destroyed in this. Forest fire is one of the cause to ban this type of agriculture, and invasion of weed and other species. This actually disturb the ecosystem of a certain region where this type of agriculture is practiced. So this is all about shifting cultivation, right? And also primitive subsistence farming, and another subsistence farming is called intensive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming basically practice in those areas where agriculture land is intensively used for the cultivation of crop. This is mainly practiced in densely populated parts of the monsoon Asia like India, China, Japan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, and almost the South Asian country. It has two categories. One where paddy means rice is main crop. Another reason where paddy is cultivated, but others are the main crop. Paddy is cultivated but in lesser amount. Basically, reason of dominance of paddy and not the dominance of paddy is rainfall. In this region, this is wet paddy region where rainfall is enough. Either rainfall is very high or enough availability of water to support the rice cultivation. But in this region, not to cultivate rice, there are reason either rainfall is less or availability of water is less. There can be another any reason, and there is basic difference between these two. Here, as you know, the paddy is the main crop, but in this, apart from paddy, wheat, soybean, barley, millets are other main crop. In this dominated by wet paddy region, the farmer work with the help of family labor, which lead to the intensive use of land. And due to the large amount of labor, per unit production is high. But because labor is high, so per labor productivity is less. On other hand, here manual labor is used, but machines are also used. No doubt, because manual labor is less, avenue cannot be used, so yield per unit area is not high like this. But per labor productivity is very high here. The reason of this type of cultivation dominated by the intensive successive farming dominated by paddy crop. It is cultivated in Mekong Delta, river of Tonkin River in Vietnam. Rice is main crop, means paddy is main crop. Lower Menam in Thailand. Lower Irrawaddy of Myanmar. In eastern coastal plain and Ganga Brahmaputra delta of India. This here. You can see here, this is cultivated in this part. This eastern coastal plain, Ganga Brahmaputra delta where enough water is available. This Vietnam, Mekong delta and all. This Irrawaddy river. Here this type of cultivation is done. But the intensive system farming, which is dominated by other than paddy crop, in this type of farming, wheat, soybean, barley are cultivated in China, Manchuria, North Korea and Japan. Wheat is the main crop which is cultivated in northwest India. Rice is also cultivated but lesser amount when or where in rainfall is enough. So this is all about the subsistence farming. In next videos, in next session, I will explain about the other type of agriculture, especially this commercial farming, which will include plantation, extensive grain cultivation, mixed farming, dairy farming, Mediterranean agriculture, marketing, gardening, cooperative farming, collective farming. But we will do one by one, because all the things we cannot do together. They each and every type of farming have a big area of study, right? Thank you.